We are a far distance from downtown Jackson currently. We are with Times Safari Inc. recording this historical moment. These innovators are about to kill a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's truly amazing that technology got us here.
It's great that we have the opportunity to be here on this historic day.
Travis, how do you think your safari group is going to do?
We cannot afford to fail. Today's first Eccles, then Billings and last Kramer.
Echoes, how do you feel with having the first shot at the dinosaur?
I think I can do it.
That's great. Here's the dinosaur now.
Eccles, shoot now!
Oh my gosh. He has spotted us. We have to shoot. Oh my God, he is running at us. Lord, please save me. We apologize for the inconvenience, but we have just killed the dinosaur. After killing the dinosaur, we have found out that Echo stepped off the path and changed time as we know it. Echoes, how do you feel about ruining everything?
All I did was step on some dirt.
Find out if you change the future tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Central Time.